Hi, here's a very perky Mark and Eva, and we're here at Sunday brunch at the Campus Rose. And this is the big culinary display. Hi, thank you so much. Thank you, videotaping. Okay, and here's our wonderful organist. And we're going to walk around and look at all of the sushi and the fruit juices. Okay, all the liqueurs. Let's see what we have here. Okay, shrimp. Okay, and we have lox, and we have more sushi and California rolls, very pretty mussels. Very nice. A lot of different kinds of California rolls, very pretty. Okay, and then we'll go back to the cold food first, and then we'll take a peek at the hot buffet. Here we have yogurts and fruits. Cheeses. And the prosciutto, the Iberico ham, delicious. Different kinds of prosciutto. With the different side dishes. Oh, salads. We have different salads, rice salad, Caesar salad. Okay. And now let's go take a look. Okay. Here's the bread station. Very nice, and some sweets. And leading up to the Feast of Resistance, which is the dessert station. Oh, pretty. Very nice. I had some of these. I've had the creme brulee, of course. I had the lemon meringue tart and the opera cake. Delicious. Oh, isn't this gorgeous? I don't know, it'll be a shame to cut into it, but I'm sure it'll be delicious to eat. Another beauty. Look how pretty. That's why I love coming early, so I can look at all of the artistry. Oh, and take a look. I haven't even paid attention to the ice sculptures and how pretty they are. And oops, there's Mark there. We have the ice sculptures, the chocolate sculptures. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Oh yeah, the opera cake and so come with us. Oh, and there's a chocolate fountain. Of course there's a chocolate fountain. And we'll end on the chocolate fountain. It's a grape station. Even better. So it's a chocolate fountain, and then there's the live grape making. So yum yum. So come with us. Let me just give you a long shot. Come with us, Eva and Mark, when we take you to Sunday brunch, the grand Sunday brunch on the Regent Seven Seas Splendor. Enjoy, manja.